Here you see the oscillator again, connected to a coil with a ferrite rod in it. It's here, and it oscillates on 1.8 megahertz. You can see it on the screen, 1.8. But when I move a piece of metal here in the direction of the coil, this piece, you can see that the oscillating frequency changes. Now it's 2.0 megahertz. Now I move the metal away and the frequency goes down. You can also see it on the scope. I move the metal to the coil and I take it away. So this is the reason when you build an oscillator with a coil, and it's a free running oscillator, be careful with metal in the neighborhood of the coil. It can bring the frequency of the coil down, it can affect the frequency of the coil. And also, if this was an antenna coil, there's also an effect of metal coming near the coil. So if this was an antenna coil with, for instance here, an antenna wire on it, don't mount this coil too near to a metal case, for otherwise it will influence, the metal will influence the frequency. Now it's without the core and it has the same effect. The frequency goes up when the metal comes close to the coil. Now I move the metal away. So this is something to count with when you build a radio.